Alrighty guys, so we've got the seated cable row machine. This one has a chest support. So what I want you to do with this chest support is make sure that it's as far out as you can put it. Now, some of them might be different to this, so it might be a bit exaggerated. The point of having this as far back as you can is that as you reach forward for the handles, they are going to be still in your hands as you stretch. The thing about having the chest support too far forward is that as you reach the handles, I've got them in my hands, my shoulders is relatively pulled back, and my arm has to be already bent before the weight gets in my hand. What I want to make sure is that as I stick this back nice and far, that in a fully stretched out, fully protracted position, the weight's still in my hands. This chest support is pushing me far enough back that the weight's still in my hands, okay? I'm gonna fully stretch forward, and then as I pull, the shoulders come back, pinch the shoulder blades together, and then row, okay?